Hey, what's up? Hey,
Morning, Your
hi,
Honor.
how are you?
I'm here on Miss Belén Ibarra.
The last
Ibarra.
Ibarra. Okay. What's the word?
So, this first for bond, she has no bond set in this case because she was on no bond for the felonies last time we were here. But the state is unopposed to a PR bond in this case because
She's being held at no bond on the upstairs.
I know, and
So-
the felony attorney is working on that. They resolved the felonies on Friday. And
They
the
resolved-
bond was not relitigated up there.
She's
I'm
going
just
into
on
a
the
PTI. She's going into like a like a 1-year PTI upstairs. And as part of that deal, we're gonna get rid of our misdemeanor, but obviously she needs to get out in order to get into the PTI and everything.
The felony attorney knows about the bond issue. I don't know when she plans to address it, but I'm just here to get her out on the misdemeanor.
Since it's gonna be dismissed one way or the other with the felony PTI. So I just want to make sure that, our case isn't, holding up the felony offer essentially.
Is she here now? Do we
Yeah,
have
she's
her?
in the holding cell.
Do you mind bringing her out? I mean, they don't even have a date set upstairs though.
That's
It's set for
I know,
126.
I've spoken to the felony attorney. It was a misstep on her part for sure, but I spoke to the felony attorney and she will go approach on it at some point. I mean,
Are you anticipating a PR bond upstairs too?
I would assume so, yes, because she has a PTI, like the felonies have been resolved, so I would assume
Never
yes.
assume anything,
I
you
know,
know?
I know, and I can't speak for what happens in the felonies. I'm only on the misdemeanor, Your Honor, but
And I just see that the agreement's is in deeds and everything, so.
Yeah.
It looks like we're moving towards that.
yeah.
I just want to make sure that we don't.
When do you want to set it for? Do maybe like a week
Yeah, that's fine.
and we'll see. Okay.
That's fine.
Does she have history of like flight? Do you know? Because she's got
She
two.
has no history of flight. She lived in Houston most of her life. She is pregnant right now. She's 6 months pregnant, and essentially, we just kind of want to.
She has
get her
two
out.
prior assault cases. Both of those, any flight in respect to those cases?
I'm not, I actually ran over here.
I don't think so. Based on what district clerk shows, no, Your Honor.
Let's take a look. I don't see.
All right, go ahead and sign.
So she only has one prior assault. It looks like that one was dismissed. And
Yeah.
this new one here, looks like it was charged assault of a hospital personnel, right?
Yeah, that got dismissed on Friday.
Did they refile it as? Okay.
It just got plain dismissed, and then the PTI is for the assault on a public servant, I think. It's a mental health case, Your Honor.
I'm down with you. I'll grant you a PR bond.
Okay, thank you.
The only thing I'm going to ask is that she stays in touch with you, right?
Yes.
I'm not going to continue to do this. Like if she gets out, she just takes off. I'm not going to do it again,
Yes,
and I'll
I
admonish her
understand.
as such. So
Thank you, Your Honor. I guess she'll still come out, right?
yeah, I need to admonish her.
Yeah.
Who is our CW?
CW,
Hold on a second. We'll get there.
yeah.
Colin,
Mr.
tell me what you got.
I have Sarah Castillo, Judge.
Okay.
That's the one where we were trying to get the records from the sheriff's office. They finally got them to me. And
You have everything you want?
I haven't been able to get through it all. It's like almost 600 pages.
Second. I didn't thought it was going to be long. Okay. Gabe. Blossom. Do you speak English, man?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You see, Bar, I want you to understand and appreciate that you have a lot of lawyers that are going to bat for you now, trying to help you even get out. Your lawyer here is asking for a PR bond. You even have the state that's in agreement to get you a PR bond. The only thing that we're asking you to do is be safe to our community. Don't pick up any new cases and stay in contact with your lawyer. Right now, I'm going to grant you a PR bond, but I'm not going to do this over and over and over and over and over. I'm going to give you one chance to get out there and do the right thing, make the best of the chance that you're giving. But if you get out there and you just take off and you don't stay in contact with anyone and you pick up a new case, all bets off. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Notice that phrase, all bets off. That's judge speak for, I'm giving you one shot, don't blow it. In bond hearings, this is where compassion meets caution. The judge is offering freedom, but it's conditional, one misstep, and it's straight back to custody. Think of it as trust on a timer.
I'm not asking for much. All I want is my community to be safe and for you to stay in contact with counsel. That's it. Okay, so I'll grant you the PR bond. Looks like the bond is already set. We're going to set it out for a week because you're still at no bond upstairs, so we don't know what's going to happen in your felony case. So we'll set it off for a week, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
So tell me about this one here. Who's the complaining witness?
Dating relationship, boyfriend.
Okay. Does he want to have contact with her?
He's not, we haven't really been, he hasn't been cooperative with, so I wouldn't be able to tell you what he wants other than to drop charges, really.
So I want you to understand that I am going to grant what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Mr. Rodriguez as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate.
And there it is, the clock's ticking. The judge just set the stage. Either take the plea deal, or we roll the dice in trial. It's the classic justice system cliffhanger, pressure, deadlines, and 1 week to decide your future. The real question? What would you do if it were your case on the line?
Threat or harassing behavior, and you cannot be in possession of a weapon. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll take off the residential restriction just in case, but everything in the MOAP is stuff she shouldn't do anyways. All right. Understand.
Yes, Your Honor. Thanks.
This part's important. The magistrate's order of emergency protection. It's not just a restraining order. It's an immediate, legally binding rule that can send someone right back to jail if violated. Do you think these orders go far enough to protect victims, or do they sometimes overreach? Let me know in the comments. This one sparks serious debate.
Judge, I just had a quick question. We're set for trial tomorrow in ERD on a family violence case. And I just wanted to know logistics wise, would we pick tomorrow and then start Wednesday, or if we have a jury tomorrow?
Are you really going to go?
Yeah. I mean, it sounds like we're gonna go.
You hear this?
Yes, Your Honor.
I've got 7 other cases set for trial as well tomorrow in here.
Okay.
So let's see which one actually
Let's see
goes.
what the trial-
So, but technically we pick on a Tuesday, everything starts testimony on a Wednesday, and then we go. That's the way. So, yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Arsenault, you are charged with interference with the emergency request for assistance. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. It seems that probable cause has already been found in this case.
Yes, sir, Judge. I don't know why we're here, but,
Because he bonded out.
Oh, yes.
I guess he's been AWOL, right?
no, sir, he's been in custody, Judge. He had a felony, assault of a family member that was dismissed last week,
Okay,
and that's why he got out.
all right. So are there any kind of bond conditions that you guys would like state?
So for this one, just standard conditions would be fine with this type of case. And there's no contact for this,
Who's the complaining witness in the,
His mother.
his mother, Judge.
okay. Is that the complaining witness that was in the felony as well?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm ordering you not to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Judge, if I may, I provided the state with some information relative to that. The complaining witness in this case is not willing to go forward. She provided a letter to me, which I have already given to the state. She's requesting that the case be dismissed.
The state would not be opposed to no threatening or harassing contact at this time. And just give us another date to reset to look at the 911 phone calls to make sure that.
Okay, so the case is 180 days old. It's time. So I'll give you a
Okay.
week.
Yes, Judge.
So I'm ordering you not to have any threatening or harassing contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. If I find that you violate these conditions, I'm going to revoke your bond, put you in jail. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much. Now, your case is old. It's time to figure out what we're going to do. So I'm going to give the state a week to get everything done, wrapped up. They're going to put an offer on the case. The next time we come back, you must either accept the offer or I'm going to set your case for trial. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you mind filing those conditions, please?
Yes, Judge.
All right. We're going to have you sign the conditions after that. We'll see you in a week. We'll go from
Thank
there.
you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. D.